clear fence one. Two. Lovely jump. Clear fence 3, heading over for 4 at the blue. So fragile, they'll roll over at any touch at all. Clear, camera's not touching them so far. Lovely, clear over the 5 feet, big fence. So there's a quick check over her shoulder to see what's what. And she heads around. Lovely jump. Really well done. This horse is jumping incredibly well. She looks so careful with the front leg. And another big jump. And clear for the final fence. To get herself jumping into the and clear.
Yeah!